Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. What we will do right now is I will teach you how to make a circle and how to increase that circle. Okay, let's get started. I would like to start with a magic ring. This is how I do the magic ring. Just, make a circle like this, and then position your yarn, and then let's have, okay, one chain there, and then let's have 6 single crochet in the ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the good thing with the magic ring is you just pull this, and you see, that's why it's called magic ring, because you don't have a hole in the middle when you pull that. Okay, so the tail that's left, we can hide it while we're working on this around. We can hide it. So position your yarn again, and then let's go back to here. Now what we did was 6 single crochet, right? After the 6 single crochet, we pulled the tail so we don't have a hole in here. So let's have, you will go here to slip stitch. Okay, so we're done with our first row. We slip stitch and connect. So let's go to the next row. Let's have chain 1, and then let's have 2 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, we'll start here, chain 1, and then 2 single crochet. You can use single crochet, half double crochet, but the purpose of this video is to show you how we will increase the circle. Okay, so now let's have 2 single crochet in each stitch. So 1, 2. Then next stitch is another 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Next stitch is another 2 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, in here, 1, 2. So all the stitch all around, you will have 2 single crochet. So from 6 single crochet, it will become 12 single crochet. Okay, so see, we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we have 12. Then we can connect again here. Okay, not this one, because this is the chain. This is the first single crochet, so we have to slip stitch here. Okay, so row 1, 6 single crochet. Row 2, you have 12 single crochet. On the third round, on the third row, let's have chain again, chain 1, and immediately on the first stitch here, let's have 1 single crochet. Okay, and then on the second, let's have 2 single crochet. 1, 2 single crochet. Again, 1 single crochet on the next stitch, and then 2 single crochet on the next stitch. So it's like 1 2 1 2. Okay, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. again, one single crochet, and then two single crochet, one, two, again, one single crochet, and then two single crochet on the next stitch. So it's like one single crochet and two single crochet. Okay, so we finish, what's this, two single crochet, so we have one single crochet here. Okay, and that's the last. Then we need to slip stitch to connect. Okay, so 1 2 3, let's go to row 4. Row 4 would be, you will see the concept of growing your circle by doing this. Okay, chain 1, and then now let's have single crochet here on the first stitch, 1. So now previously we did 1 2 1 2, now we will do 2 1 2 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in here. Now we will do 2 single crochet and then 2 single crochet in the same stitch. I'll show you. So we have 1 here, and then the next stitch will be 1 single crochet again, and then on the third stitch will be 2 single crochet at the same stitch. Okay, 2 single crochet at the same stitch, 1 2. Okay, repeat, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so again, 1 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet here, and then 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, again, let's do it again. 1 single crochet here, you can see that, and then next stitch 1 single crochet. Okay, and then on the next stitch is 2 single crochet. So it's like 1 1 and 2, 1 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 here, and then slip stitch. If you're a beginner, you have to mark where's your first chain here, so you will not be confused. Don't be confused, the small one here is your chain, so it's not counted. Okay, so you go here on your first chain, on your first single crochet here, slip stitch. Okay, so our circle is growing. Yeah, okay, if you still want to grow and grow and grow your circle, you just continue what we are doing. If we started here with 6 single crochet, and then double 6 single crochet, and then became 12 single crochet here because we did 2 single crochet in each stitch, and then the third row we did 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochet in the same stitch, so 1 2 1 2. In this row, fourth row, we did 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So if you still want to grow, continue the row and then chain, and then now we will do 1 2 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitch, and then on the fourth stitch would be 2. So you see the concept. This one is 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 1 2. Okay, so let's do it. So let's do single crochet here, 1 2, so we need 3 now, 3, and then on the fourth stitch you need 2 single crochet at the same stitch. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, and then on the fourth you need 2. 1, 2, single crochet in the same stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, and then on the fourth you need 2 single crochet on the same stitch. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3, and then 2 single crochet on the fourth stitch. 1, 2. Okay, see, we're growing bigger and bigger now. So again, 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth we need 2 single crochet at the same stitch, and then we still have one more, 1 here. Okay, and then slip stitch. Remember what I was saying, this is the chain that we made. It's not counted all the time. Every time you will crochet in the connection, the first chain that you made is not counted when you're following the pattern. Okay, so if this is the chain, this is the first single crochet, so you slip stitch here, slip stitch. Okay, if you still want to grow more, then we will do the next row. This one is 1, 2, 3, and 2 single crochet on the fourth stitch. Then in here we need to do 4 single crochet, and on the fifth stitch we need 2 single crochet at the same stitch. So just like that, the number is just growing. Let's do one more chain. This is the chain that I was telling you, it's not counted every time you are doing crochet. Okay, so we need now 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet on the fifth. 1, 2. Okay, so another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so on the fifth you need 2 single crochet on the same stitch. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the fifth you need 2 at the same stitch. 1 and 2. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the fifth we have 2. We need to put 2 single crochet at the same stitch. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 single crochet on the fifth. Okay, and then last single crochet, and then again slip stitch here on the first single crochet, slip stitch. Okay, so now we're growing. It's bigger now. Our circle is bigger. Okay, if you want to continue it bigger and bigger and bigger, you just continue the counting. So now we are one, two, three, four, and two single crochet on the fifth stitch. Next row, if you want to still to continue growing or bigger, and then you need one, two, three, four, five, and on the sixth chain, on the sixth stitch, you need two single crochet. Then you want to grow more, then one, two, three, four, five, six, and then on the seventh, you need two single crochet at the same stitch. So that's how you will make your circle bigger. And if you want to stop, like if you're making a hat, you just stop the increase. No more two double crochet, no more two single crochet on the same stitch. It's all single crochet in all the stitches, and it will continue. Um, it will continue. It will not. It will not get bigger anymore. Okay. So, yeah. Thank you for watching.